Hello, how are you doing? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what is a wide angle lens. So if you are starting in videography or photography, more probably you have been thinking what is a wide angle lens. So I will clarify this. So there are different kinds of lens. There are extreme wide angle lens that they get a very open degrees and they can capture a lot of things that they are very wide. This lens, there are wide angle lens, there are normal lens, there are telephoto, and there are super telephoto lenses, right? So in this spectrum of different lenses, the wide angle lenses are the most useful when you are recording yourself. That's the ones that I recommend in this channel, the do-it-yourself filmmaker channel, because if you are filming yourself, you can make sure that you will be able to capture, to get yourself inside the composition that when you are recording yourself, like now that I'm doing that, right? So let's see how to find wide angle lens in the catalogs of the most important manufacturers, right? So let's go to the, for example, Sigma. If we choose Sigma and we go to lenses, we can see which are the lenses that Sigma says that they are wide angle lenses. We can here filter by wide lens, right? And here we can see the different options that there are, okay? So wide lenses are those that they are between 10 or 8 millimeters to 35 mils, right? So everything that it's between 10 or 10 or 8 or 10 mils to 35 mils, these are considered wide lens, right? You can find this also in Samyang, for example. This is another manufacturer. And when you filter, you can also see which are the wide lenses. And they show you the 18 mils, the 24 mils, the 35 mils. So these are the lenses, the options that you have in this category of wide lenses, right? You can see that some of them, the ones that they have more optical quality, they are bigger, but they have a lot of light, right? And others which are smaller and more tiny, more useful probably for photography and for video in the street, right? They don't have so much light, right? But they are also very, very good, right? So these are very good options. And in case you are using a Micro Four Thirds camera, for example, a Lumix, you need to consider that you need to double the full frame focal distance, right? So in this case, you will need a lens which are look at this. If I filter just for wide, you can see that here wide is 12 because 12 becomes in 24 when they are transformed into full frame equivalent, right? So you need in Micro Four Thirds to be at 12 in order to get the distance focal equivalent in full frame. Also, the 14 mils, right, is the equivalent in full frame is 14, 24, 28 mils, right? So these are two lenses that they are in the category also of wide lenses, right? So, well, this is what I had to share today with you. If you have any doubt, please write me in the comments and we can keep the conversation going. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.